here too.
And my dollar.
I bet there's another one.
There's another.
Look.
Oh, but there's another one for me.
One.
Look, it's just one. You each get one.
What's this?
A movie. Cool.
Hey, you don't get two.
A treat. A treat.
I already have treats. Oh, new pants. Mommy,
Pictures of us.
new pants.
New pants. Cool.
Oh, yummy, yum, yum.
Mason, look at these nice pants.
But look at this.
What is, oh, it's a ring pop. What'd you find, Maddox?
Mom, there.
That's you and
Oh,
Mason.
man, chocolate. White chocolate.
Ooh, you think that's white chocolate?
Yes.
Maddox, don't grab from him. Look at these cool pants, Mace, for you. Sharp. And Maddox, look at these are for you. Look at these nice pants for you.
Hey! Give my dollar back.
And what's all this stuff?
Candy.
Grandma told you she was going to send chocolate, didn't she?
That's not all yours. Max, that's not all yours.
He knows, Mace. Maddox, what are you doing?
Max, those are not all yours.
And we'll have to figure out how to do these Valentines. Look at two Maddox from Grandma Carol and Grandpa Randy.
Here's mine.
I think it's under there.
My dollar.
Yep, to Mason from Grandma Carol and Grandpa Randy. We'll have to figure it out. It's a little basketball thing. Little basketball hoop.
This.
Hershey Kiss.
Those are not all yours.
Eat it.
You can have one.
I want one too. I
Okay.
want red.
You can take one. That's not all Maddox's, honey.
Got it.
The mine.
Maddox, no, it's not. You have to share with Mason.
Here. Another one. No.
And look at this movie, Mason. You like Popeye. Look. Movie. What do you guys say?
Thank you.
Thank you to who?
Grandma Care.
And
Grandpa Randy.
you think Grandpa Randy snuck some of this candy too?
Yes. I bet he did.
You think he did?
No.
No, I don't think he likes chocolate, does he?
Yeah.
He does?
He really likes chocolate.
Me too.
I got $1.
Wow. What are you going to do with it?
Buy fake toys with it. And Max got $1 too.
Maddox, what are you going to buy with your dollar? What are you going to buy with your dollar? What are you going to buy with it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Put it in the bank? Save it? Save it for when you're old?
I got
Was that a good treat to get in the mail?
Grandma Carol gave it in the mail. Here you go.
And look, 2 for each of them. 2 for each of us.
Mm-hmm.
Give it me.
Max, those are really not all of yours. Okay.
Maddox, those aren't all yours.
Yeah.
You have to share with Mason.
I go.
Because I'm a